Well, we showed you our root cellar. We showed you our larder. Now I'm going to show you my working pantry. Well, for those of you that have huge walk-in pantries, you're not going to be impressed by this. But for me, I was thrilled to see this because I never had a pantry at all. I had a typical straight kitchen cabinet, not even pull-out drawers, that I had to route to the back to get to the cans and stuff. So it was miserable all the time. So to me, this is deluxe. Now the first thing to note is the height of the door. I'm about 5'8", okay? That's it, that's the door. Now, come on inside. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to it, but we think it was done in 1880. There's just the simple shelves, and I've done the best I could, but it needs to be more organized, and I want to make it somehow a little more attractive. Yes, it's messy.
And this is the same flooring that we had as you go down for the larder, which we removed. We're going to take this floor out too?
Yeah, we're going to take this out and see what's underneath it. Hopefully there's something pretty down there.
Okay.
And on the wall, there's something of interest. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it was scratched into the, what is it, plaster or whatever?
Yeah.
Built 1840, and then it looks like rehaired 1880. We have no idea what that means, but it's REREHARED. If anybody knows what that means, fill us in.
Just putting new plaster in with rehair, I don't know.
We don't know, but if they did, they spelled hair wrong. So it's an interesting pantry, but it's got a lot of potential. So we'll see what we do with it. So join us in the journey of our pantry makeover. Here's the writing on the wall. It does say built 1840. And then below that, it's rehaired 1880. And it really is. If you look, REREHARED. Not a clue what that means, but whatever it was done in 1880.
Alright, we take out the vinyl floor. Look, there's two of them that are stuck together. Well, that might be good. Maybe it'll come up better. Maybe not.
What do we have?
I think there's plywood under there. It might be the same as for the larder.
Think we can get it up?
Yeah.
You think there'd be a nice pine under there?
Well, there'll be something under there.
Well, we'll find out.
Oh, look.
Another floor.
Yeah, so that was lawn, and now this looks like one of those old tile, like asbestos tile or something.
Oh!
I don't know. It's one of these hard. Yeah. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
So the lawn goes, and then some tile, and then
Something.
yeah, probably plywood, or maybe it's the base floor. I don't know.
Oh boy.
So we're down 3 levels, and we got at least one more to go. Probably 2 more levels to go.
Sorry, we opened a can of worms, huh?
Yeah, I might have to renegotiate my contract on this.
Yeah, really. Maybe get double pay.
Okay. Oh, that'd be nice. Okay, here's where we're at now. We've taken off 5 of the 6 layers, believe it or not, 6 layers to get down. We haven't gotten to the subfloor yet, but we're at a place where we have a 1/4 inch plywood. It looks like 1/4 inch, some kind of plywood over the subfloor. What we're trying to decide is, do we risk it, pull that up, and perhaps end up with pine flooring like that, which is
what I would like.
And that's the entrance to the larder.
Yeah, to the basement stairs.
The basement stairs. Or do we just put something over it? I just think we should put like shag wall-to-wall carpet.
You're funny.
Green or burnt orange.
Yeah, you think you're funny. I mean, I really like the pine, but what are the chances it looks good under there?
I don't know.
If we take this up and the pine floor is crap, we just put a new floor in?
Yeah, we just put
You just put a new floor in?
Yeah.
Okay, decisions.
I think, what we could do is pull a corner up here, see what it, just to make sure that it is the last layer and see what it looks like.
Okay, I vote for that for now.
Okay.
So,
Well, we went for it.
and we think it's going to pay off?
Yeah, I think so. This is the weirdest material. It's not plywood, it's some kind of early primitive fiber board or something. It's only about a 1/4 inch thick. A lot of nails, but
It's fine under there.
yeah, so we can just clean that up a bit and put some treatment on it. We just put boiled linseed oil on the other
And
and
it makes
it
it
came
just
out
beautiful
real
and
nice.
warm.
Yeah.
We just have to hope it's nice the whole way across there, like in the middle of the floor.
Yeah, that's part of the gamble.
We'll find out.
We could still put the shag carpet in.
Yeah, we'll do that. Well, I got my 180-year-old pine floor.
Pulled all the nails, we sanded it and cleaned it up, and then we put some boiled linseed oil on it, and that brought a little bit of warmth and life. But still doesn't look like a new floor, though, does it?
But that's what I wanted. I want it to look like an old floor.
Well,
So
it is.
I'm happy. So now it's time to start some painting, and that's where I come in. I'm not always behind the camera. I do work. And this is going to be one challenge for Donnie.
Yeah, I have pipes down below, and then there are some wires, including electrical wires up top. I'll have to put a false back on the shelves there.
But he'll figure it out. I know he'll make it perfect. And I decided to go with a pale yellow. I just thought that'd be prettier than the whatever beige or whatever it was that was there before. And I do like to paint.
She's an experienced painter. Can you tell by those pants?
They've been used heavily. There's my new yellow pantry. Well, I had the big shelves in the back, but I also wanted to see if I could get shelves on the side to give me a little bit of extra storage. So Donnie came up with a very creative solution.
I wanted to continue the same support structure, which was wood, so I had to mill new pieces of lumber to screw into the wall, and then I added a section of 2x2 wood, which I could screw the shelves down to act as a cantilever, rather than buying individual shelf brackets.
It turned out perfect. So after painting the pantry yellow, then it's time to paint all the shelves a nice pretty white.
Just take note of those shelves, though. Those are 15-inch wide pine. You can't buy those these days at the store. So
Because they are true 1 inch, right?
they're 1 inch height, yes, but they're also 15 inches wide, a single board.
So they are old.
Yeah.
I like old things.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you.
And of course I had to paint the little shelves that get screwed onto the top of that. So first painted the big ones and then painted the small ones and got them ready to put up. Now it was time to put the big shelves back in place, and we just kept them right where they were before. That was fine with me. Now here it is with the wires still showing. And Donnie came up with a creative solution like I knew he would. And no more wires, no more pipes. It's just all pretty.
I could have custom fit that a little tighter, but Brenda assured me that it would be full of goods and we would never see it.
Yeah, there's gonna be so much stuff in front of it, nobody's gonna see that. So I'm happy.
Good.
Well, we finished our pantry project, and I am very happy with how it turned out. So take a look, see what you think. It's a lot neater and more organized than it was before.
So we have an automatic light.
Motion sensor light. You gotta keep motion going or it goes off. Look, and all the ugly stuff that was behind the shelves is hidden. You don't see any of the wires. And the shelves on the right are the ones that Donnie added, the little shelves. And they're perfect for all the canned goods. I love that I can walk in and see everything I have at a glance. It's perfect.
The big question is if the mice will like it.
Well, living in an old farmhouse, you have to be prepared. We have had mice in the past, so I always have a trap set. Just in case, because they might find a way in.
The floor came out nice.
I love how the floor came out. It's beautiful. I like it.
A lot of character.
Yeah.
And
It's
what's
special.
that you're holding?
That's my handy dandy step stool I can step on to reach the stuff on the top. And I think the grandkids are probably going to be using it too. Because my granddaughter, when she saw the picture, she wanted to know why the cookies were so high up. So they'll probably use the shelves to sneak up there and get cookies. But that's okay. Well, thanks for joining us for our pantry project, and I hope you're as excited as I am. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.